Yo guys, so welcome back to the channel once again. So in this video, try to join me as I dive into world of funded trading and then try to uncover the real truth behind the free FundedNext try account. Okay, so the idea of getting free funded try account is super appealing, especially for aspiring traders who want to dip their toes into the world of trading without risking their own capital. So this is a free and it's a try account. And remember, it's a stimulated capital or a demo account. You cannot withdraw from it, but it's going to give you an important update about the Forex industry without risking your own capital before learning how to trade. So the reason why this video is very important for you is that no matter how you want to buy an account or a funded account, you must watch this video before you go there. So let's talk about one challenge about free try accounts. So a challenge with a try account is that they often have a limitation such as limited capital or time constraint. Okay, so this can make it difficult for traders to fulfill their test strategy and then get realistic fill for the market. So what this means is that for try account, they also have a limited account size, and they also have a limited rules, just as the real funded account. Okay, so this is going to let you practice the same way as you are going to meet it on the funded account as well. So before you buy a challenge account, make sure you use the try account before that. I'm going to review the truth behind all this and the psychology of playing with this, so and show you how you can get up to 200k try account, which is for free. You are not going to pay anything for it. Okay, so it's very simple. If you are interested in watching this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel right now as I dive more into this. So the try account comes with some rules and their requirements, such as the maximum drawdown and the minimum profit target and whatever it is. So let's just click on try. Okay, so we just click on free try. So to get it, just go to any browser of your choice and search FundedNext. Okay, so click on a free try. So when you click on a free try, it will open a page or a pop-up window for you in order to select your account. So this is the selected plan that we have here. We have from 6k up to 200k. So I always recommend to go with 15k, 25k, or 50k. Don't go higher amount, as you cannot afford to buy those accounts. Even if you like, you can go with 6k account to learn the risk management properly. So let's go with, let's say, 25k. Okay, I'll go with 25k as I can afford to buy this. So from here, make sure you go with the MT5 and then swap account. So we just click on get started. So when you click on get started, it will take you to the main page where you have to get access to the main details of this account. So let's wait as this loads. So quickly, here are my login details of this account. So sorry for this. Okay, I've not verified my account. That is why it's showing this. So let's just go back with it. Let's see. Yes, they are talking about some security verification. So it is not what I want now. Okay, so we are going to talk about the rules. That is the very important part for me. Before you buy a challenge account, you must know the rules. Okay, so let's go straight and then locate the rules and regulation of trading this market. So let's go to the more option. Sorry for this adverts. Let's go to the more options, and then we'll look for it's not here. So I need to log in to get this, but to have access to it, get a login. Let me just go to start challenge and then I access the rules for you. Okay. So if you want to buy an account with them too, you can go down to the video description, join my Telegram channel. I post every proof from that is legit link right there. Okay, but make sure you do your own research before you engage with them. So let's come to the side here. So for the 15% performance reward is here. And then we have phase one profit target set up to 8%. And then phase two is set up to 5%. Very simple. Maximum loss limit, okay? Maximum loss limit is set to 10%, okay? And that says $600 on this account. And then the daily loss limit is 5%. And I think this is good. News trading is allow performance reward up to 95%. Maximum trading day is also 5 days. And then they have first reward up to 21 days. And the refundable fee is there when you buy an account, but we are concentrating on the free account. That is very, very simple. So to get into trading a profile, make sure you get your hand on a free FundedNext trial account before you join anything else to buy an account with them. So guys, this is what I have for you guys today. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, that you'll be receiving more updates from me every single day. I love you guys all and see you tomorrow on another update. Goodbye.